welcome to my YouTube link video project. This is also about related with the subject of science grade 9 because the main topic is about the chemistry, which is related with the main topic of periodic table of elements. So I can go ahead give you 1 to 15 because this is about 1 to 103. So I can give you 1 to 15 and go something like this. So in number 1, hydrogen, the symbol is letter H and the meaning is hydrogen is a chemical element that is the simplest and lightest of all chemical elements. Number 2, He, helium, the symbol is He. So helium is colorless, odorless, and tasteless inert gas. And number 3, lithium, the symbol is Li and is the meaning about lightest solid metal known for its use in batteries, alloys, and lubricants. Number 4, beryllium. The symbol is Be and the meaning is a light, strong, and toxic metallic chemical element. Number 5, boron. Boron used in products like borosilicate glass, detergent, and alloys. Number 6, carbon. Carbon, the symbol is letter C, and the meaning is non-metallic element found more or less pure in nature, as in diamond and graphite. Number 7, nitrogen, symbol is N, and the meaning is colorless, odorless, and relatively unreactive chemical element with atomic number 7 and like symbol N. And number 8, oxygen. The symbol is O, and the meaning is colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas essential for breathing and combustion. And number 9, fluorine. The symbol is F, and the meaning is fluorine is a plate, yellow, gaseous element of the halogen group. Number 10, neon. The symbol is Ne, and the meaning is neon is colorless, odorless, and inert noble gas. And number 11 is sodium. The symbol is S, and the meaning is never mind. The symbol of N is an A. So, sodium, the meaning is soft, silverly white, and highly reactive alkali metal. And number 12, magnesium. And the symbol is Mg. The meaning is magnesium is light, silvery, white, and alkaline earth metal. And number 13 is aluminum, and the symbol is Al, and the meaning is aluminum is soft, silvery, white, and lightweight metal. And number 14 is silicon. The meaning of silicon is metalloid that is a semiconductor used in solar cells and glass. And last but not the least, number 15, phosphorus. Phosphorus is meaning white and red and used in fertilizers, detergent, and firework. And the symbol is letter P. So as you can see, this is about the chemistry related with the main topic of periodic table of elements. Thank you.